Are you ready to dive into the world of Arduino? This guide will lead you from a beginner to a confident creator, ready to bring electronics projects to life. Whether you're a student or hobbyist, Arduino Uno is your gateway to interactive electronics. Brought to you by US Computer Support. This is the key point made in this scene. The Arduino Uno is an open-source microcontroller board introduced in 2005. It was designed to make electronics accessible to artists and hobbyists. Think of it as a tiny computer bridging digital and physical worlds. It's perfect for interacting with sensors, lights, and motors. Its simplicity and community support make it ideal for beginners. Understanding the Arduino Uno's components is essential. The ATmega 328P microcontroller is the board's brain. The USB port connects to your computer for programming and power. Digital pins are versatile connections for controlling devices. Analog pins read variable signals from sensors, converting them into digital values. Arduino pins are your interface to the physical world. Digital pins operate in binary states, perfect for on-off devices. PWM pins simulate analog output for dimming LEDs or controlling motors. Analog inputs read continuous voltage levels. Ideal for sensors. Special communication pins support advanced device communication. Getting started with Arduino is straightforward. Download the Arduino IDE from arduino.cc. Connect your board using a USB A to B cable. Configure the IDE by selecting Arduino Uno under Tools. Test your setup by uploading the blink example to see the LED blink. Your first sketch is making an LED blink similar to Hello World in programming. In Arduino, programs are called sketches. The setup function runs once to initialize pins. The loop function runs continuously, controlling outputs like the LED. Upload your sketch and watch the LED blink. Create an external circuit to control an LED. Gather components like an LED, resistor, jumper wires, and breadboard. Connect the LED to pin 13 via a resistor. Use a jumper wire from pin 13 to the LED's positive leg. The resistor limits current, protecting your components. Reading sensors allows Arduino to interact with the world. Connect a potentiometer to analog pin A0. Use analog red to capture its position as a value. Map this value to control LED brightness. Use analog right to adjust brightness. Creating an interactive project. Knowing Arduino's specs helps in project design. It operates at 5 volts for digital operations. The input voltage range is 7 to 12 volts. It has 14 digital I/O pins and 6 analog inputs. Flash memory is 32 kilobytes for storing sketches. Encountering problems is part of learning. If the IDE can't find your Arduino, try a different USB cable. For compilation errors, check for syntax issues. Use the serial monitor for debugging logic errors. Double-check connections and component polarity for hardware problems. Explore the vast Arduino ecosystem for new projects. Use environmental sensors for temperature and humidity. Motion sensors and actuators add movement to your projects. Communication modules enable wireless connectivity. Displays and data logging expand your project's capabilities. Congratulations on starting your Arduino journey. You've learned the basics of electronics and coding. Now go create projects that blend code and circuitry.